I had never seen people go hungry. Children looking at a bottle of water with utter desperation. You see people's faces and they're glazed, and their eyes are glazed. And that is the worst disaster when people lose hope. As humans, we tend to complain a lot.
You're welcome.
No, my feet hurt, or oh, your feet hurt because you have feet. Oh, the water's cold. Well, there's water. And justice for all. If it were only true.
I just hope you know that most of us, the people of America, are with you. You are us, and
We know.
it's so wonderful to meet you.
I often say that there's a difference between, the guy
Government
at the top
and the people.
and the people, and the people of the United States have had their hearts open ever since the beginning.
Well, you are us.
Thank you
So
very
wonderful
much.
to meet you.
Thank you. We are U.S. citizens because our law was passed in 1917, just in time for us to go to World War I. And we have paid the ultimate sacrifice. I see this also as an opportunity to redefine that relationship and to have Puerto Rico not to be the last colony in the world. Slavery isn't good or bad if your master gives you 10 beatings or 20 beatings. The master that feeds you 3 times a day, still your master. I felt it before. I'm utterly convinced of it now. And will dedicate my life to ending that.
To ending what?
The colonization of Puerto Rico.